Hi guys! Today I got my watercolor sketchbook that I bought from Shopee, and it's very timely since I am planning on joining the Spring to Life 2022 Drawing Challenge hosted by the Ghost Egg from Instagram. They provided a weekly prompt, and for this week's prompt is rainy day. And I think the weather is kind of cooperating since it's raining all day, and that made me excited and motivated to film this video. Actually, it will be my first time to paint a rainy day theme, and it made me a little nervous, so I decided to watch a couple of YouTubers painting rain beforehand. Anyways, for the materials, I got my sketchbook, my HIMI Gouache, 2 glasses of water, a towel, my spray bottle to keep the gouache paint moisture, finally brushes and palette knife. I don't put too much pressure on myself since it's my first time to paint rain in general. I told myself to just enjoy painting. By the way, I got my reference from the beloved Pinterest. I just searched rainy day and a lot of beautiful references came out, and I went for this one. Regarding my process, I kind of just block the background with the lightest color I see. Then I mixed black and green for the tree. And I mixed different shades of green for the leaves. Instead of copying it realistically, it's way easier for first timer like me to put blobs of colors where it best fits. Then I load my brush with clean water. I blend the colors to create a blurry effect on the background. For the rain droplets, I learned from Gesture here on YouTube that I should just draw an outline of droplets using black gouache. Again, I'm not completely copying my reference here, I'm just using it as a guide and more of an inspiration. After I drew the outline, using just white gouache, I put highlights on the water droplets to create a more convincing effect to it. Anyways, about the sketchbook. I love that it has a texture but not too much. The quality is really great. It can hold a lot of layers since it's 300 GSM. And the shop where I ordered it shipped this sketchbook immediately and it came to me within 2 or 3 days. So I'm happy about it and I'm excited to paint more in this sketchbook. And for the rainfall itself, I mixed white with a bit of black and a tiny bit of blue so it won't overpower the pure white highlights of the water droplets. Then I washed off my brush and loaded it with clean water to blend the rainfall so it will look softer in the background. And that's all I do for this painting. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos from me. And thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope to see you on my next video. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.